It's Em here from Miscellaneous Fuzz, and today I decided to share with you guys the If It Was Real squishy tag. Now before I start this video, I just wanted to apologize for not uploading. I was sick, like really sick the whole week, and I didn't really have the strength and the time to make a video, and I'm really sorry, but I'm here making a video for you right now, and let's just get started. So I don't know who created this tag, so if you guys know, or if it's you, then comment down below. Okay, so first category, I guess, is what squishy would be your bodyguard, and I chose Mulan's horse. Oh, somebody's here. A horse for Mulan, and I think this would be a good bodyguard because it's like a war horse, so like, you know, he knows how to do business. So next question, which squishy, like if it was real, which squishy would you eat non-stop? It was this donut. I love donuts a lot. It's a problem. Donuts. I don't know what that squish was. Okay, next question. If it was real, which squishy would be your pillow? These like are already my pillows, basically. Sometimes I like rest my head on them and stuff. Does that sound weird and creepy? Here, let me clarify. Like my big squishies, like my orange, I do that. But I decided not to do my orange because I feel like that's pretty obvious. I decided to choose this pink steam bun, and this is like super soft. So I feel like it would be really comfortable, hopefully. Next one is which squishy would be your pet if it was real? I chose this. Is this an alpaca or a llama? I'm gonna say alpaca, but yeah, this would be awesome, and it's so cute. So like, if this was real and was my pet, I'd be very happy. Okay, now like the weird questions, I guess you can say, no offense. Which squishy, if it was real, would look fake? You know. But I chose this, whoa. It's getting real old now of me not knowing how to pronounce the name of it, so I'm just gonna officially say that I'm gonna call it Woo Bug, because if this was real, like, this does not look like a bug, and I'd be like, wow, that looks like a fake bug. So, yeah. Next question is, if it was real, which squishy would you run away from? Okay, so I have two of them for this category because I felt like it, so fight me. Okay, so first I have this ice cream, and the reason why I run away from it is from the fact that it has eyeballs, like it has a face. So like if I saw this in real life, I'd be like, that's really creepy, that has a face and it's an ice cream, bye. You know? That's why I'd run away from this if it was real. Ugh, what was that squish? Then the other one that I have is this unicorn, and I'd run away from this because it's a unicorn and I would question everything, and then I'd run away to look for mermaids. So then the final one is, which squishy, if it was real, would you want it to be a squishy? Does that make sense? Oh well, if you don't understand it. So I chose this bread loaf, and honestly, for bread, like actual bread, I always wish that those are squishies. And so that's why I chose this. Because if this was real, then I'd be like, I want you to be a squishy, you know? Well, that is it, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please comment down below any video suggestions. And also forget to subscribe to become a part of my Fuzzy Wuzzy army. And also forget to share my channel with your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Fuzzy Wuzzy's out.